Hey, I'm Hervey Lopez, and I'm updating my bike check. I have Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars, highlighter blue, a black DK grip, and a red Fit Eddie Cleveland, because I always rip my right grips. Odyssey Parins, Primo Annihilator stem, Premium Refuse Resist tire, Eastern Trail Digger stock front rim with Odyssey S2 director forks. Just got my Eastern Journey. I snapped my Trail Digger frame. Don't know how. It snapped about right here. Re-welded it, and my frame like warped out. So it's like, fuck it. Bought this. I got stock Verde Lux cranks. Colony Fantastic pedals. They were white. Spray painted them red. Can you still see it good?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, our street light went out.
This looks badass.
It does it really? Eastern Medusa sprocket, a stock one though. Stolen thermal seat post and highlighted green, or gang green, because I like it to stand out. Don't know why. Premium skull seat, pivotal. A multicolored chain, because I snapped my chain so many times grinding that we just threw a bunch of chains together. Cinema back rim. It's not that great, but I mean, it was cheap. Not that loud either. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, and a Fit AFK tire is pretty much a slick now. And that's my new bike check. Oh, and don't call me gay for wearing this club. I hurt my hand in football, and I'm learning bar spin, so I wear this so it doesn't hurt as bad when I catch. So yeah.
New trick.
New trick.
And all you haters be haters.
All you haters be haters. I love haters.